Hello, my dear brothers and sisters. I am Suraswan, your instructor. Today we'll discuss about Active Directory Replication. In our previous video, we have learned how to create sites and subnets. Today we'll discuss about Active Directory Replication. There are two types of replication existing in an Active Directory replication. First one, intra-site replication. Second one, inter-site replication. Intra-site replication. Intra-site replication happens when you have two or more domain controllers at a single physical location, well connected in between them through a local area network. For intra-site replication, there is no need of configuration, as Active Directory replication automatically configured once all domain controls are well connected to each other. Intra-site replication start among domain controllers less than 1 minute when a changes occurs in an Active Directory. The next part of replication of an Active Directory is inter-site replication. Inter-site replication happens between two distinct sites connected through a wide area network. Like intra-site, here you can't wait for domain controllers to be configured automatically for replication. Here you need to configure site, subnet, site links in order for replication in between sites. Here in this city's forest, you have headquarters at Mumbai and branch office at Pune. In order to replicate in between sites, on each site, Active Directory automatically choose one domain controller for replication. Like here, in Mumbai site, this DC02 domain controller is automatically selected for replication, and in Pune site, this DC04 domain controller is automatically selected for replication. These two DC02 and DC04 servers or domain controllers are called as bridgehead servers. When any changes made in domain controller, the first chosen bridgehead server replicate the changes to its connected bridgehead server. If any changes occur in any of these domain controllers, first this DC02 bridgehead server, it will replicate the information to its Pune side bridgehead server to DC04. Then this DC04 server subsequently replicate the changes to its other domain controllers in Pune site. In inter-site replication, site link decides when the replication need to occur. It is the duty of a system administrator to set appropriate time for replication to occur. In most cases, system administrators set after office hours for replication. Site link also offer cost links in between location where two or more site links are created for replication. The least cost value, the replication priority given. Here in this Delhi, Mumbai and Pune, in these sites, in between Delhi and Mumbai, the site link cost is 30. In between Mumbai and Pune, the site link cost 20. And in between Delhi and Pune, the site link cost set as 100. When it changes occur at Delhi domain controller, through the inter-site replication, Mumbai will get the replication changes. To get those replication changes, this Pune site can get the replication from Mumbai as well as from Delhi. But here the site link cost we have already determined. So here the site link cost from Delhi to Pune via Mumbai would be 30 plus 20 equal to 50. So here the site cost link between Delhi to Mumbai is 50. But here Delhi to Pune the site link cost is 100. So as I just said before, the least site cost, the replication priority given first. So here Pune will get the replication changes from Delhi via Mumbai only. If in some cases Mumbai to Pune site link is failed, then the Pune site will get the replication from Delhi, and also the changes in Mumbai site, Pune site will get the changes via Delhi site, irrespective of the cost of the link. Once this Mumbai and Pune site link is resolved, then this Delhi to Pune site link will be ignored. It will be still there, but it will be ignored because the site link cost will be reduced to 50, right? So next, site replication transport generally occurs through RPC over IP instead of SMTP. As SMTP doesn't support file replication, while IP support everything. That an Active Directory require any replication changes. So now, the last but not the least, we'll cover about knowledge consistency checker, in short KCC. Once all sites configured properly, KCC will start making connection between sites automatically. If any site link network goes down, KCC will automatically configure standing site link irrespective of link cost. Like I just said before, once main site link recovered, the KCC once again will reconfigure the main site link for replication. KCC also ensure the replication between two sites happens seamlessly without any problem. It is also responsible for choosing bridgehead servers. As it is running automatically in background, it doesn't need any configuration. So this is all about Active Directory replication. Now I'll move into my Windows Server 2016 to show you how these site links are configured and how this replication does happen. In our previous video, Active Directory sites and services, we have already created sites and subnets. In this Active Directory replication, we'll go ahead and create site links and we'll see how this replication, like inter-site replication or inter-site replication, is happening in between domain controllers. So you go ahead, click on Windows button, go to Windows Administrative Tools and select Active Directory Sites and Services. Here in our Active Directory sites and services, we have already created three sites as you know already, right? So now we'll go ahead and create site links for replication. So expand this intersite transport and click on IP. So here you can say during the creation of so here you can see during the creation of sites, whenever you create a site, you by default you select this default site link. If you click on this one and go to properties, you can see this Mumbai, New Delhi and Pune, all sites are merged into this default site link. Here we go ahead and create a new site link, right? So here we need individual site links in between two domain controllers. So go to this IP, right click it and select new site link. Here you can name it like as New Delhi to Pune, and you can select New Delhi site and add, Pune site and add, and click OK. So here our new site link is created. Now we'll go ahead and create another site link. In this site link, we'll go ahead and connect two domain controllers from the Mumbai to Pune, right? So you can name it like Mumbai to Pune and select Mumbai and select add and Pune and then add and OK. Here we have created two new sites and we have already default site. So this default site you can rename it like New Delhi to Mumbai, right? Now click here on this default site link and here you can see there are three sites are merged into this one single site. So here we have mentioned this site would be like from New Delhi to Mumbai. So here we can remove this Pune site and apply and OK. So here we have already created three sites. Now you can remember about I have discussed about cost link. So I'll go ahead and manipulate this cost link of each sides. So here I'll select this New Delhi to Mumbai. In this properties, in this properties window, you can see here this cost link is defined as 100. As here you can see all these three site links are cost defined as 100. But we want replication from our headquarters from New Delhi to Mumbai should happen frequently, right? So here we can cost make this cost link as like 30. Okay, and the replicate every 180 minutes. It's like 3 hours, but you can come down to it like 15 minutes. You can't set it below 15 minutes, because if you set it below 15 minutes and in apply, you can see there is a warning message come up. Please enter value between 15 and 10080, right? So it would be better we would put 15. And here you can change the schedule button also. So here this is the replication is set as whole 24 hours in a day, but here you can set the replication not available likely in the office hour. You don't want to replicate these things, right? In the night hours you want to replicate. So here you can set it like from Monday, from 9 o'clock to let 6 o'clock to Friday, right? So you can select whole the area button and and select the replication not available. So here this whited out area at this particular time and day, your domain controller will not replicate to each other, but after office hour replication will happen frequently. Okay, so here you can click here, okay, and set it apply and okay. So likewise, we will set this Mumbai to Pune cycling also. So here you can set this cost as like 30 again, or 20, whatever you can set, but 30 set it. And replication also you can set it like 15 minutes. And the change schedule, you can set like before I set it from Monday from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock from Monday to Friday. Replication not available, select the replication not available, click OK, apply and OK. So here you can see this Pune branch gets the replication from Mumbai, and this Mumbai branch gets the replication from New Delhi. Here the cost link from New Delhi to Pune is direct as 16, but from the New Delhi to Pune direct side link is direct as 100. So the replication will frequently happen from New Delhi to Pune via Mumbai, because we have set this cost link as 30 plus 60. So whenever this New Delhi to Mumbai site route down, as you discussed, by default, cases will reconfigure the site link New Delhi to Pune as a temporary replication site link. Okay, so whenever you will fix this New Delhi to Mumbai site link, then again cases will start replication from New Delhi to Pune via Mumbai branch. So now, as I said, replication interval I set to 15 minutes. So here I'll stop the video to replicate all the domain controls in between them. After that, I can show you how the replication configuration generated from the site links in between domain controllers. So here our 15-minute time lapse is passed. Now I'll see whether the site links are created automatic connection or not. So expand this new daily site and come to entity setting. On selecting entity setting, on the right hand side you can see there are three connects are generated automatically by KCC. So whenever you set down replication in between two sites, the KCC will take steps and it will configure in between domain controller and create automatically connection in between two domain controllers, right? So if you want to say what are the incoming and outgoing connection in between domain controllers, you can go to entity settings and select properties. Select on connection tab. Here you can see all the incoming and outgoing connection in between domain controllers. Right? If you think that you are missing some connection in between two domain controllers, you can create here in manually. So right click here in entity settings, select on new and connection. And on this window button, you can select any connection in between your domain controller and utility, or any domain controller like DC02 or DC03, right? So here I have all the connection in between neutrally to like DC01 to DC02, DC01 to DC03. So I won't create any new connection in between my New Delhi to Mumbai and New Delhi to Pune. If I will create a new one, a message will pop up like this. See, there is already a connection in from the source server to the destination server. So this is only mandatory when you observe a connection is missing from your sites. Okay. So now I'll click here in no. During our creation of site links, we have set the replication between domain controllers fit to 15 minutes. So if you want to replicate between two domain controllers immediately, you can click here on any link, right click here and replicate now. If you want to post replicate in between your domain controller, like here my DC01 and DC03. So right click here and replicate now. This error message popped up because my DC03 server, I have shut down this server for now. So that's why this replication error is showing up here. So don't panic here. It's not a big issue herein. But if you are in your production environment, if one of your domain controller is down, then it will be a big problem. Because in production environment, all your production servers should be up and running 24 hours. So how do you know if the replication is not working in between two domain controllers? In my next video, I'll show you the troubleshoot of replication in between two sites. Now here, I am done with the Active Directory site replications. I'll see you in my next video with troubleshooting of Active Directory replication. Up to then, goodbye and thank you.